Alright guys, so we got some healthy chicken. You can buy cheap chicken at Walmart for $4, and it's about a pound of chicken. It's already thinly sliced, no fat on it. Let's just take some of this out. We're going to use only 2 pieces. We're going to make garlic chicken. You can buy any of these seasonings for less than $5 at Walmart. We're going to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some olive oil. So what you want to do is bring your chicken over.
Oh, I got the over that game. Oh. You know what's right over here? Can you hear this? Or is it just like that?
No, it's not lower.
Why lower?
You want to just pat that down just a little bit. Alright. So from here, we're just going to lightly give this a little bit of seasoning. We're going to start off with a little bit of heat. Let's put on low. A little bit of some olive oil. Make sure you get all that around. Alright, so from here, we're just going to slice this chicken into strips. We're going to slice into chunks. Bring all this in there. You can add a little more seasoning. A little salt, pepper. A little extra garlic. Just gonna let this simmer just for a little bit. Wait till it starts to get that color. Put this around. You raise the temperature just up a little bit. A little fast cooking.
You have to beat the Bills, baby!
Should take only about 5 to 10 minutes for all this to get ready. Usually a healthy meal would be with this would be broccoli. You can buy broccoli at Walmart. You can go buy anything from Walmart with rice. Pop it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. What you want to do, you want to flip some of this over. Get both sides. Salt. A little more pepper. Some extra garlic. Brown color. Once you see that brown color, you can take it off. You can add a little butter if you want to. In this case, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And see a little bit of olive oil. That'll give you a taste. start taking some of this out. Look at that color. Good color. Pair this with rice. You can put it in the microwave, broccoli, microwavable broccoli, and you got yourself a quick, easy chicken meal. High protein, lots of carbs, good for the body.